We need to talk.
We need to talk.
Something's come up, and we need to talk.
We need to talk.
Sure.
We need to talk, Kevin. Something's come up.
We need to talk. Follow me.
We need to talk. We're talk. Alone.
You better get in. We need to talk.
Lose the girls, Valentine. We need to talk.
We need to talk.
Yeah, all right.
It's a pleasant surprise.
We need to talk.
We need to talk.
I don't talk to your face.
Yes,
We need to talk.
I'm listening.
Scott, we need to talk.
Yeah? About what?
About me dumping you.
Maybe we can meet for lunch. We need to talk.
Okay, I can eat around 2 p.m.
Did you find it? We need to talk. What? What's wrong?
There's a little matter we need to talk about.
Yeah, money, right? Well, forget it.
No, not money.
Come by my office. We need to talk.
Okay.
Elizabeth, we need to talk.
Sure.
I'm starting to think that maybe we need to take a break.
Forever.
Young man, nobody likes a chatterbox.
But there's a terrible crisis, Mr. Bigweld. We need to talk.
Look, we need to talk about this properly. Just give me 5 minutes, okay?
Don't put yourself down, Eggsy. I'm sure you can last longer than that.
We need to talk.